Welcome. In this video I'm showing Nanjing's AI sector in the latest in the robotics and technology. So let's get started. They had many displays showing different AI toys and devices up to the latest kind of robots.
握手。
握手。
好呀，来握手了。
我来。OK， 哦，很重，
很重
80斤，
对
80 kg。
They even had a robot that could draw Chinese calligraphy.
It will come with certain strategy, I guess. So you can put down a piece anywhere?
Yeah, you can put it anywhere. For example, like this, you can then just...
But how do you win? What's the idea of the game?
It's complicated.
If I can put here?
Yeah, and then press here and act accordingly.
So this is go.
Yeah, so just go. And the idea is go is that using your...
So, he beat me. 5 in a row.
这样的话可以改变我们跟手机未来交互的一个模式。未来我们就不太需要去手机上调用这些 app， 比如说美团和滴滴。对，它会给你输入你的刚才的需求。然后如果是滴滴打车的话，它就会更厉害一点，就不再需要，因为这个是付钱的。
For $1,000,000 yuan. Drone airplane. Wow. Huge. There's some industrial pins here. Gimbal camera. Here's the gun to take down the drones.
Thanks for watching. If you like technology, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.